Hi friends. Now we can familiarize with the environment of deducer. It is very similar to SPSS. How we can show? This is the data uh, window. Uh, Here we can add new data. Okay. Otherwise, there is another way. Here also we can click new data, open data. Here some tutorial videos are there regarding the analysis. An online manual may be obtained. We can open data set, recently opened data set from here. This is a save button. This is again open button, open data button. Just click on new data. We can observe what are the things here. Here we have to give the file name first, data name, test data. I give test data. Okay. After opening the data, we can add data in this blank windows. Like I add just typed 134, 123 here, 35, 34, 65, 111 for gender, male, and 222 for female, like this here. And I add this 15 data. Here you can see in data view. Similarly, in the variable view, we can give the variable name, height, weight, gender. Here we have to select the type of the data by click here. Here height and weight are integers. Then gender is a factor. Then the factor name will appear here. Factor levels will appear here. This is somewhat a type of data we can use in deducer. Okay, this is working Java. The deducer working Java, and you can see this. And based on this data, we can conduct some analysis like t-test, male-female difference, and we can conduct a test for correlation. I think that only we can possible with this data. We can try for such an analysis. For to conduct analysis, why first we have to go the respective menu of this console. Here in the console, there is a menu known as analysis. Here, click on analysis. It's very similar to SPSS. You can see frequencies. You can find the frequencies of gender by just putting these things here and click on OK. You can get a result here. For value 1, gender male, the number of cases 9. For gender 2, that is females, number of cases 6, and its percentages here given 60% and 40%. Cumulative percentages here. Missing data, one missing data, total of 16 data is represented here. So one data is observed as missing. This is the use of this window. Here, this is the missing data. Just delete the values and try again. We can remove the row and again try for the same analysis. Analysis frequencies for gender. Okay, now it is no missing data. Only 15 data is the all other details are correct. Now conduct the analysis for analysis of descriptives. Descriptives of height. Okay, just click on continue. Then we can see that mean standard deviation valid number are also already there. We can add a skewness and kurtosis. Okay, now just click on the button run. See the result. Here you can see that mean height, standard deviation of height, valid n, that is 15, valid n of height 15, skewness of height 0.44, kurtosis of height -1. In that way, the result table is observed. You can copy these values and paste it in any Word document or document files. No other options to export data. You can save the data for a later function, but you cannot export the data into any other format other than copy paste. You can click on Control A, Control C, and copy into Word or any Word text documents. Okay. Now we can conduct another analysis. Analysis descriptives. Uh, this weight here. I remove uh, height, only weight is here, and I add to this stratification table, I add gender. Then click on continue. Then click for these details same. Then click on run. Here we can get the separate value for gender. For gender 1 the mean value, then for gender 2 for mean value for weight. That is, we can get the subsample wise details of descriptives, like mean for gender 1, mean for gender 2, standard deviation for gender 1, standard deviation for gender 2, like that. Okay, now conduct another analysis. Mm, Here again, descriptives, nothing, we can go. Then correlation. We can find out the correlation between height and weight here. Click on height and weight. Height and weight together here. Then it is Pearson correlation, because both are continuous data. We can use Pearson correlation. Then click on run. Here we obtain the correlation value is 0.9796. See, okay. Then there is a correlation between height and weight. This is in table form. Height, weight, height, weight. Height and height correlation 1. Height and weight correlation 0.9. The same will be obtained here also. It's a mirrored data. See here, if we cut through this line, I will show. Uh, See, if we prepare a triangle here in this way, uh, this the same value will be repeated here. I am drawing one line here. See, okay, this is a quadrant table. Here you can see that uh, the same value 0.9796 is repeated here, 1 is repeated here. So we need only this value. Its number is the, its critical value is the uh, confidence interval is the then its p value, that is significant value, is here 0.00004 zeros are there. It means it is less than 0.00001. P is less than zero point 0. That is, in that way we can analyze correlation too.